Are you looking for a reliable and easy-to-use backup solution? MiniTool ShadowMaker, a powerful backup software that offers a comprehensive protection for your data, whether it's for personal or business use. In this video, we'll dive into all features and options that make MiniTool ShadowMaker an essential tool for safeguarding your valuable files. MiniTool ShadowMaker offers a full system backup. With just few clicks, you can backup your entire operating system, including your system files, settings, applications, and personal data. This means that even if your system crashes, you can restore everything back to normal without any hassle. If you only need to backup your specific files or folders, MiniTool ShadowMaker has you covered with its file and folder backup feature. This allows you to select individual file or folders, ensure you don't waste storage space on unnecessary data. You can also backup your entire disk or specific partition. This is ideal if you want to protect an entire drive in a particular section, whether it's your system drive or data drive. MiniTool ShadowMaker ensure your partitions are backed up and ready to be restored when needed. Never worry about forgetting to backup your data again with a scheduled backup feature. You can set up your automatic backup to run daily, weekly, or monthly, ensuring your data is always up to date and protected. MiniTool ShadowMaker offers you a synchronized option. This method saves your time and storage by only backup the changes made since the last backup. And instead of copying all your data over again, it's a smart way to keep your backup efficient and quick. When disaster strikes, the system restore feature lets you quickly restore your system to previous states, which allow you to restore your system to different hardware. So if you are upgrading your PC or need to switch to device, MiniTool ShadowMaker has got you back. One of the standout features is bootable media builder. You can create a bootable USB drive or CD or DVD to restore your system even when your computer won't start. This is a lifesaver, critical situation when you need to recover data from a non-responsive system. Need to upgrade your hard drive? This cloning feature makes it easy to transfer all your data to a new drive, including operating system. This way, you can switch to larger, faster drive without hassle of reinstalling everything. If you manage multiple computers, the network backup feature lets you backup your data from a remote computer within the same LAN. This makes it excellent solution for small business or household with multiple PCs. Whether you're looking to protect your system, backup important files, or manage multiple computers, MiniTool ShadowMaker offers a complete backup solution that's reliable, versatile, and user-friendly. Don't wait until it's too late. Start backup your data today